Hey, it's me again. I'm coming with just some multiplayer stuff, some clips that happened, so I will put those in. As you can see, there's a match starting in the background. I will put in those clips, and then that will have a video, so just enjoy. Shoot her down. Drop them. Enemy has Bravo. On your feet! Be advised, hostile UAV incoming. Be advised, be above. Hostile UAV above. Down and clear. Enemy took Alpha. Bring A. Hostile lightning strike inbound. Okay, so I'm gonna end this video right off here, but I will add some more of this stuff later. If there is some other gun that you would like me to use, like for this I was mostly shotgun and Scorpion. If there was any other gun that you want me to use, just let me know and put it in the comments section. Bye.